Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we are going to see if we can fix the squeak on this Mongoose mountain bike. And I believe I've tracked the squeak down to the front suspension here, the shocks. Whenever we're going over a bump or anything like that, we can hear some squeaking, and it kind of goes, as the suspension's going back and forth, you can hear the squeak. So let me show you what the squeak sounds like really quick, and then we'll see if we can't get this resolved. All right, guys, so this is the stuff that I bought to try to fix that squeaking. It's made by Whistler Performance Lubricants. It's called Forkboost Lube, and one of the things that caught my attention was it says it's biodegradable and non-toxic, and it had really good reviews. So here's the back here. Let me go ahead and read through the directions here, and then let's try this out and see if it fixes that squeaking. All right, guys, so we're just going to put the Forkboost Lube right around the base of the stanchion like so, and you need to be extra careful not to get any on the brake system or the brake pad or the wheel rim, because then your brakes won't work properly. And I'm just using an old rag here to rub the Forkboost Lube all the way around the stanchion, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side here. The Forkboost Lube does come out pretty quick, so just be aware of that. And yeah, I'm just being extra careful not to get any on the brake system or the wheel rim, and using the rag to work it all the way around the stanchion. Once we've done that, I think I got a good amount there on both sides. Let me check this one here. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get the suspension to go up and down here. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pump the front suspension up and down here 3 times and see if this can help lubricate the front suspension, the shocks there, and stop that squeak. Okay, then when we've done that, we're going to come in here and wipe off all the excess lubricant. Okay. Let me do the same thing on the other side here. Okay, now for the test, let's take it back out front and drive it over the bump into the driveway and see if we're still getting that squeak. All right, guys, well, there it was. This stuff worked great. It did exactly what we needed it to do. There's no more squeaking coming from the front shocks, the front suspension there. So, the one thing I would remind you of is make sure when you're using it to follow the directions, and make sure you don't get it on your brakes or on your wheel rim, where the brakes are going to contact. You don't want any of that lube anywhere near the brake system. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.